So hey guys, we're about to start doing a prep for Ron's birthday cake. Cheesecake.
Right now what we are doing is we're cutting out a little parchment paper, circle, for this pan that will be used to create the actual cheesecake itself. So it's not really interesting, just making a perfect circle. I see a flaw in the plan. Nope. Found a flaw in the flaw. That was perfect. There. It's fine.
We can still see it.
So,
Kind of.
Oh, wow.
Price?
Monticello.
You don't even know what the question is.
Where's his first house?
No?
No.
Where did Daddy live when he decided to become a preacher?
Monticello. Because everything else has been Monticello.
It's another location.
It's not, okay, so it's not like a specific, like a trailer or something.
Right.
Okay.
I mean, you can be as specific
Rock.
as you want. Say it
Hamburg.
again. Sorry.
Little Rock. Hamburg. Those are my two guesses.
Okay.
Go.
So we're about to count out 10 ounces of this cookie dough, for us to make the crust out of.
We're gonna flatten it in the pan, and then we're gonna go to the next step. That's how cooking works. Gross. This looks disgusting.
Alright, so I just washed my hands, and we are going to press down the cookie dough to make the crust. We have it all non-sticked up.
What's Daddy's middle name?
Lewis.
Can you spell it?
No, wait. I was thinking ahead. Anyway, Lewis.
What is Daddy's middle name?
I know this. I know this.
Go ahead.
No.
Dude, I'm gonna have to cut this out. It's so long.
I'm trying. Do you want it?
Do you know what it starts with?
Give me a hint.
No.
L. It starts with an L.
I'm feeling Lewis, but I don't think that's right.
That is right.
Oh.
I'm feeling Lewis.
Is that why I see as Lewis as your favorite author?
Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Now we are putting the cream cheese in here. We're supposed to like just mix it up using this. Really light and fluffy, as it said. So, just hoping for fluffy cheese. So now we're pouring in the sugar into the whipped cream now. Not whipped cream, of course. But yeah, so we're putting that in there, and then we're gonna do vanilla, I believe. Yeah, vanilla extract, and then yeah. Looks cool.
Throw it in.
Nope, you do it. Okay.
Sugar. Now we need sour cream.
What was his superlative in high school? Like most likely to...
Most likely to be ball. No, actually. Most likely to achieve great things. I don't know.
Well, so that's kind of the same as most likely to succeed?
Most likely to succeed.
That's exactly right. Okay. Okay, where did he go to seminary?
I don't know, the seminary? I mean...
It has seminary in the title.
Yeah.
First, it has the city. Do you know what city?
Monticello.
No.
Little Rock. There are 3 places in Arkansas.
It wasn't even in Arkansas.
Yeah. Colorado.
No.
I don't care.
Memphis Theological Seminary.
That's right.
Is that half a cup?
That's close enough.
Where did Daddy grow up? What city?
Little Rock. No. Yeah? Starts with an M. Massachusetts, no. I don't know.
I can give you a
I
hint.
want to say Minnesota, but that's not. It's Arkansas. It's a county in Arkansas. No. Memphis? No.
That's in Tennessee.
Yeah.
You want me to give you a
Am I
hint?
right about the M?
You're right about the M.
Okay, yeah, hint.
It's named after Thomas Jefferson's home.
Monticello.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
Why does your hair look different from the last time I asked you a question?
Because I got my haircut.
Okay. Where did Daddy grow up? What city?
It's not. It's Little Rock.
You can make your final guess.
Sign language.
It's not Little Rock.
Do you want me to give you the same hint I gave your brother?
Yeah.
Stop.
It's where Thomas Jefferson lived.
Virginia.
Like specifically his house was named.
And Washington is Mount Vernon. That is not the answer.
Mount Ver.
They talk about it in Hamilton all the time.
France.
Oh my gosh.
My guess is Little Rock.
Okay, hold on. It's where Thomas Jefferson got mellow, doing whatever.
Monticello.
There.
Yeah,
but it's called, in Arkansas they pronounce it.
Monticello.
There you go.
So we forgot to film putting the first yolk in, but we're getting the second one.
Maybe I had a little bit of shell in that one.
Got it. What do you think about the crust?
That's good.
Now we need to start folding them in gently. We're about to put the cheesecake mix over the crust.
A lot of chocolate chips in this entire thing.
Yeah. It's gonna be a chocolate chip mess.
Right?
Where did he go to seminary?
Seminary. At a church. The Church of Little Rock. I'm joking. The church, it's probably the Church of Monticello.
Well, it's called a
Monticello.
seminary. Like
seminary.
that's in the title.
Oh, okay. The Seminary of Monticello.
It's not Monticello. That's not how it's pronounced. But no.
That's how Hamilton pronounces.
That's because that's how Thomas Jefferson's place is pronounced. Let me tell you what it is.
Wait. The Seminary of Little Rock.
No, let me tell you.
Okay.
Memphis Theological Seminary.
Man, I would never have gotten that. I don't think Price is going to get that.
Nope, I don't think he will. What does he like to do to relax?
Oh, play video games? Nah, that's a weird, was said weirdly. Play video games.
What?
Next, we're wrapping it all up in aluminum, and then we're gonna put it in the Instant Pot.
So we have it all wrapped up in foil once we put it on the crust. And we're going to fill up a cup of water and put it in the Instant Pot. So I've got it all in there on the trivet and the water. Alright, so we've got it all done. It's not all done. We have it all on, except the lid is not on. Where's the time?
It's on high pressure, and then how long did it say?
45 minutes.
Okay, so use the plus button.
Where did Daddy go to college?
Hamburg, you know? No, because I mean, we drove by it once. I feel like that was in Hamburg.
Okay, final answer.
Arkansas University, I don't know. University of Arkansas? That's gotta be a crappy school.
University
University of Arkansas.
at. That's the name of it.
At what? Arkansas.
University of Arkansas at Arkansas.
Exactly.
No. Okay.
At Hamburg,
At Monticello.
of course.
Was he in the Boy Scouts?
Yes.
And for a bonus point, did he make Eagle Scout?
No.
Okay. You sound very confident in your answer.
Because I know.
Okay. Let's see.
All right, get into it. I need you to be ready to grab it.
It looks good.
And it just needs to sit like this, probably for a couple hours.
Alexa, set it to
Where did Daddy go to college?
Arkansas State University.
Is that what you said for my answer too?
I don't think so.
Oh. Do you think you're right?
I think I said Hamburg College. I don't know.
University of Arkansas at Monticello.
So I was right.
So you were absolutely not right. Okay, what superlative did he get in high school? Most likely to what?
Oh. Bald.
Most likely to bald.
Yeah.
Okay, no, that's not right.
Right. So now that the cheesecake is cooled, it needs to go in the fridge for at least 6 hours, but we're probably going to do overnight, right?
Yeah.
So now we're making the ganache, whatever, to put over the cheesecake. Thank you. So now I put it in for 30 seconds.
So technically, the recipe says for us to move this into that bowl, but this is gonna be a lot less messy if I just do that. So if we mess it up, this is probably the reason. Oh, that was satisfying.
Very satisfying.
Yeah.
So I put in all of the heavy whipped cream instead of 1/4 of the heavy whipped cream. My bad. So we are now doing it again.
Just letting it sit for a few minutes. Looks good.
So yeah, my bad. So we are now going to transfer the cheesecake.
Nice. Gross sound. Actually kind of pleasing.
Now I'm really nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Dude, I'm gonna ruin it.
Do it. There you go. Ta-da! It's perfecto.
It does look really good.
We don't even like cheesecake. There is no design, just it got done.
It's ready to eat. Was he in the Boy Scouts?
Yes,
For a bonus point, did he make Eagle Scout?
he got star.
So that's a no?
Yeah.
Okay. What does he like to do to relax?
Clean. I'm joking.
Oh.
Well, maybe, I don't know.
Here's your birthday cheesecake.
Yes.
So we're gonna let you cut
Handmade
it.
by my children.
That's right. Wait.
Heads up, there's a giant metal piece at the
I know.
bottom, so.
I thought you were going to say there's a giant metal piece in the middle. And I was going to be like, what?
And Wesley doesn't think he likes cheesecake, but I know I do not like cheesecake, so I would like a very small piece.
Cookie dough was result.
Did you?
No, it just
Oh.
felt like that.
Okay. Well, look how pretty that was after the disaster of the last one. Okay, so got everybody taste? See what you think.
Cookie dough's good.
Let me take the cookie dough with some of the cheesecake part on first.
Just like cheesecake.
That's good enough. That's good enough. Tastes like cheesecake.
I didn't gag on reflex like the last thing that Daddy liked, I had.
Yeah.
Well,
Kind of lemony.
Now let me
almost.
try like a full piece of actual
Lemony?
cheesecake.
okay.
I don't know. I've never eaten lemon. I don't.
I used to like cheesecake without the.
No.
No, Leslie does not like cheesecake. How do you feel about this?
It's good.
Awesome. So even though they don't like it, they did a good job making it.
Yep.
Are you gonna eat the cookie dough, Wesley?
And the Instapot did pretty good with the cheesecake.
I did really good.
You're gonna eat
Yeah.
the cookie dough on the bottom? The cookie dough doesn't seem like it's really cooked though, is it?
Cookie dough. That's the best part.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. I mean, it's not bad. If you put enough chocolate in cookie dough
Well, you can say that it's good for cheesecake, and you still
on anything,
like
it makes
cheesecake.
it edible. True. I'll just eat the chocolate off the top.
So for me, overall, cookie dough, 10 out of 10. Overall, whole cheesecake, 5 out of 10.
And last question, what do you like to do with him?
Oh, I like to watch YouTube videos with him.
Okay. Now, do you want to tell him happy birthday so that he can see on the video?
Happy birthday, Ron.
Ron?
Ron. No,
What?
I mean, like, what is his middle name? Like, that was the first question, and I know I answered it right, but I can't remember what it was.
Lewis
Okay. Happy birthday, Ronald Lewis Feeser
Jr.
Jr. Happy birthday, Ronald Lewis Feeser Jr. I love you.
And lastly, what do you like to do with him?
Scouts is always fun, and then we also we both played Doom and stuff like that. So just a little. Also, we watch Reno 911 together, so that's pretty funny.
Okay. So, any last birthday wishes?
I want that hat. I don't know if we're gonna show it to them, but I want the hat.
The cowboy hat?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put a picture in here.
Happy birthday. Love you.
It was good. Come back next week as we hike the Centennial Trail, and you'll see lots of prairie dogs. Bye, guys.
Technical difficulties. So, we broke this. We just opened it, and it's already broken. We have another one.
I know. You didn't.
Ah! I don't know what I expected.
TSP. There we go.
Wait, tablespoon or teaspoon?
TSP.
Hey. Yeah, no, we're dead. Okay. Turn it off. Cut. Bruh.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Slap the bell. Anything else?
No?